Haram. Being in the Haram, my brothers and my sisters, comes with a type of joy and sweetness that you can't put into words. And I'm sure every single one of you guys, when you go for Umrah, especially when you land in Al-Madinah, you feel this type of tranquility that you can't find anywhere else. Even in Mecca, people always say this, right? I felt a lot more at peace when I went to Al-Madinah than in Mecca. Not that I'm trying to say that being in Mecca is not peaceful, but we're talking about which one is more peaceful, right? So what basically happened was, subhanAllah, in exam period, I would normally spend my days and my nights inside of my room, right? Which is maybe around the same size of a prison cell. Again, I'm not trying to put you guys off. That's just what it is. It's pretty small. Exam